another video. Today we're going to be doing a family challenge. This is the burping challenge.
Burp.
I know, it sounds kind of gross, and hopefully we don't offend anyone. Not that burping is not a natural thing, but we were asked or challenged by one of our subscribers to do this burping challenge. So it's pretty simple, and basically all we do is each of us will drink soda and then burp, and whoever burps the loudest wins. So we need you guys to tell us or vote who burps the loudest. So here we have Hansen sodas. Hansen's soda. And the reason why I select these sodas is because they are caffeine free and we don't let these guys indulge in too much caffeine. I don't do too much myself. So this is why we've chosen these sodas, and we don't do too many sodas at all. We usually just reserve it for on the weekends. So we're about to start. You guys ready?
Yeah,
I'm ready.
Except on summers, I
I'm
drink
burping
soda.
now.
I'm ready to win.
I haven't even drank any soda.
Me neither.
Okay, so we have root beer and cherry vanilla. This one is diet. Not that diet's good for you either, but I'm not about to waste my calories on soda, so this is why I have the diet. Got it? Got it?
All right.
Anyway.
I think I'll be taking a root beer.
Root beer.
Bell.
Rough
A root
beer.
beer for you.
Yes.
And a roof beer for you.
A what?
Roof.
Root?
Roof. Whatever. I just made it up.
Root. R-O-O-T. Beer.
A roof beer.
Alright. On the count of 3.
I can guzzle
Now-
soda.
Is there a
Time limit?
organized way we're gonna do this?
No, it's drink.
I thought it was on the count of 3.
On the count of whatever.
I thought we would take turns.
Excuse me.
Okay, you win. Mommy wins.
Y'all wasting time.
Mommy wins.
That was just burp number 1. This thing is horribly sweet. Okay, here we go.
Horribly sweet.
Horribly.
Never heard that.
Andrew's
That one wasn't real, Android.
Yeah, he's forcing burps. You can tell.
Excuse me.
Hands down.
to force burps?
Hands
No.
down. Everybody.
So I have like 10. These dudes have none.
You have to
I'm
wait.
the only
You
girl
have,
here.
You have to wait. You have to wait.
Wait. A burp can't wait.
Let me try that.
No,
soda.
you have to wait for
You
my
hold it, it'll come
stomach
out in the
to
back
wait.
end. You think this is a burp soda?
I don't know. Let's see.
Don't let me choke. Excuse me.
Mom's the queen at this.
Excuse me.
I burp.
No burps for you yet. It's coming. That's it.
Nothing. My stomach is bigger. I can hold more stuff, so maybe
Probably me
it's
too.
dispersing the, soda. Wow.
Excuse me.
Have you burped yet?
No.
I'm burping for all of them.
I'm the prince of burping.
Android have like what? 3, 4,
6.
6. How do you count by 2s? How did you get 6? Excuse me.
Did you say what?
Directed to the audience.
What? We brought down a building.
I told you you have to wait.
Nice.
I
nice.
said wait.
I guess I'm losing.
His gas comes out other places. Places you don't want to hear about.
She would know. There's only one other place.
Oh. I shouldn't know.
You shouldn't know.
I don't want to know.
How long have we been married?
Excuse me?
You've been married for 10 years?
That's what, 10?
I've had one that counts as 10.
No,
so-
no.
Yes, it did.
No.
That was a huge burp.
I'm only drinking one of these things.
Well,
What was that? You were like,
That wasn't no belch. Oh. Okay. You got a little something. A little something.
mine was the best.
and last shall be first. I'm coming.
Hey, one spilled, I think.
Excuse me.
Or is that dust on the ground?
It's mom's drink. She's cheating with her drink.
I'm not. Okay,
Let me
I'm not
see,
drinking.
let me see.
I'm not drinking a root because I'm not drinking my calories alone. Thank you.
Uh-oh. You just took my burp away.
Ooze me. Yes. What are you trying to do? Drum up a bear? A burp?
I already burped.
Excuse me, that was disgusting.
I can burp without the root beer.
I couldn't help it.
I can burp without the root beer.
Mommy's winning. Mommy's winning, hands down.
Sorry.
No competition. I'm trying.
You gonna up chug?
Was that real?
I'm done. Andrew, do not up chug. Oh!
Save me, save me!
Yeah.
Excuse me.
So am I the winner?
No, it's not up to you. It's up to them.
Okay,
I said steak left.
I'm gone! I'm gone!
That's disgusting. Oh my gosh, they're gone.
And I might not be done.
So they're not in the competition anymore.
Yes.
Just Daddy
Yes,
and me.
I had root beer in my mouth and I had to spit it out because
Mm.
I was laughing too hard.
Have a seat. Join the competition.
Daddy, don't burp like that. Face again.
I was not in your face.
It's your.
Excuse me.
This is disgusting.
I just burped. I just burped.
Okay. Are you gonna drink another one?
This is the burping challenge. What?
Excuse me. What? That's disgusting. I can't help. You're not drinking another soda, right? Thank you, kids. I'm not drinking anymore. Can't be drinking all this soda.
Then you're out of the.
No. I'm done. My can is done.
You get another one.
No.
0 calories. You're not wasting your calories.
But I don't feel like drinking another one. And Daddy isn't drinking another either. So guys, Ooh, that was that. You finished your soda? You guys need to finish your can so that we can be done.
I'm trying to get huge burps. You guys are going by tiny burps. I've had 2 huge burps.
I do
That's
not
like
have a
20
tiny
points.
burp.
That's like 20 points.
We
right
got
there.
the tape. We'll see.
No, that's not a burp.
Hold on.
Stop it.
Clear the table.
What?
I gotta go home.
You have to go home.
Get on my motorcycle. Hold on.
No.
What do you want?
What are you doing?
It's not starting. Hold on.
What?
Wait.
You can do it.
That was a burp. That was a deep throat burp. My chopper burp.
I've eaten too much today.
I think I'm done.
I've eaten all of a banana, and now I'm drinking. I'm
Who's that?
drinking root beer.
Me.
Oh,
Sorry.
you won.
You feel bad.
For what?
Are we finished?
No.
Yes.
No.
It's
The
over.
winner gets root beer. Pour all of them. Come on.
I'm still rolling.
What is this? That's how you. That's definitely how you.
Burp bike. A burp bike.
That's how you ride a motorcycle.
Yeah, gas is on the throttle.
Well, you doing both.
Yeah, but you're doing both. You're
A
like
burp bike works on both sides. Okay. Ooh, are we done?
Yeah,
Are we
mommy
through?
won. Mommy
Okay,
clearly won.
so we're through. Android can't. He never finishes a can of soda.
So mommy won. I'll give it to
do.
mom.
I don't know who
But
won.
who came in second? Who came in second?
You
Me.
guys tell us. Comment down below who the winner of the burp challenge is. Okay. You're gonna do Mommy Drew. Hashtag Mommy.
And
He took my words away.
he's still racking up the points.
Anyway, hashtag
Michael's right. You
Hashtag
need to
mom.
wait.
Me Drew. Hashtag Drew. Hashtag Daddy Drew. Doddy. Yeah. Who won? This was kind of fun.
Doddy.
Wait. Okay. I thought I had a belch coming. So,
Projected.
excuse me. Leave my tummy alone.
I'm trying to make you burp.
Comment down
I'm
below
trying to make you get tickled.
who the winner is.
Tickle.
Okay. And have you guys ever tried Hansen's? We'll put that in the comments down below too. Let us know, please. Thank you. I mean, excuse me.
Thank you.
Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Insta. Boop, boop.
And always
Thank you everybody for watching
our
channel. By the way, guys, we're trying to make it
breaking
to
my arm.
2,000 subscribers, and we're gonna do a $50 Foot Locker giveaway when we hit 2,000 subs. So we're gonna have that coming soon. So for you to what you call it?
Subscribe.
Yeah, but
Win.
when you try to win a poll or something, like what you call it? Anyway,
What do you?
whatever it is you do, a drawing. Yeah,
No,
we're
no.
gonna put it up soon for you guys to be in the drawing so that you can win. So hit the like button if you like it. If you didn't like it, you don't have to do the thumbs down or anything. You can do it if you want to.
and get our merch.
It's pointless.
Just kidding.
But
we don't have merch.
thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment because we answer every comment that comes in that was disgusting.
I can smell it.
Bye.
And always, Drew Nation.
Out. B-Y. Bye.
Mommy, you did that again.
I know. I like it. You were late with your burps, man. You could have been winning.
I think I already. Just be honest, I already won.
Daddy came second. Mom came first.
No.
I came second. No, third.
No.
Excuse me.
I had like 4 burps, but they were strong.
Excuse me.
They
No,
weren't.
that was fake.
Edit that one.
Ooh! Okay, you could end it with that. Burp and
Mommy.
All right,
I'm riding my burp bike. Riding my burp bike. My burp bike. You got my burp bike. Alright. Get it.
They laughed at me and then they joined in.
Ow, chicha lucha.
What is that supposed to be?
Your mama is a
Spanish.
goat. That's what that is. Ay, ay, ay.
You calling yourself a goat?
Your mama, not my mama.